Any of you felt like that in some parts of your life, right? I remember when we were first married and we had just got, we lived paycheck to paycheck as a lot of people do when they're first married. And my husband was working and I was staying at home raising the kids and he got a bonus. And I think the bonus was like, I don't know, $800 or something like that. And I was so excited. So I'm like, oh my gosh, we're going to have some money in savings because we didn't have any money in savings at the time. And, and, but $800 to me after being on food stamps and welfare for 3 years was like $100,000. Um, and and so he came home and he brought that. The next day our refrigerator went out and guess how much it was? 800 no $799.99. It left me a penny. And I was like, all right. And first I was just pissy and like, right. And then I was like, wait, there's a bigger picture here. What is this? And that's what it was. I didn't feel deserving of having money put away. And I manifested that, right? I had to really work on that.